Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you alright, how to escape Accurate Piggy roleplay construction site, which we're in right now, which you're seeing right now. So we're gonna enter. Not gonna talk too much, so let's enter now. That's what I say. Teleporting. Okay, I can't sing. Gotta stay focused. One does like 3 times? No, not yet. 3. So, some people doesn't have it, and some people does. So, for the people who doesn't, I'm gonna show you guys how to get it. I'm not gonna skip for the intro, okay? I'm not gonna talk. Here. Or should I? No. We see what I meant Walius background. So, okay, enough talking. Shut up, me. We are stuck here. So yeah, let's skip. That's just a glitch or bug, I say. Oh, first we have to go here. No. Get the axe's head. Don't get the other part. Got it. Now let's go up here. Do this. See, I told you. Get the pickaxe. Great. Now we'll have to do this. He doesn't jump scare you, well, he did. You have to get close to him to get the shovel. Don't get caught. Or he will cut you flatten. This is not the set. Exactly where he is. Whew. It's right here. Thank you, bud, for showing me. So, that thing. I really want slime. Get the TNT first. For the TNT, we have to go back here. Check for Walius, though. Hey, this time I'm not wasting actual time. Hope somebody's watching this, or I guess. Oh, he saw me, darn it! I can't scream. Why do I scream? Yay, we fixed it. What? We didn't. Need that crowbar. Or something. What did I mean? Something. Oh, Lord, he saw me. Got that. So we're gonna get this. Don't go there. I kinda get stuck on that. Keep jumping. Don't look behind. They're kinda fast. Not fast at all, but Ambus are a nightmare. The Egyptian skin. We have always wanted. The music by Piano Vampire. Love that creator. Also, don't forget Beaslick for the piggy themes. And music. He gets stuck on the stairs. He just have to run away. Avoid him. He will be coming. See? That's how he gets stuck. So you have to run away and stuff like that. Till he doesn't see you. He still sees us. Go. Boom. Just see. Oh god, he saw us. Holy moly. Okay. Darn it, he's stuck again. Oh, can't be. Because he's unstuck now. Washy, help me. You're better right now. So get far away from him. Okay, that wasn't the idea. Slowly. Get far away from him, what I said. Okay. Get him, boy. Down. Okay. Why did the lights turn off too? So, Willius is back. So, let's go there to put our gasoline. Caught by Willius. I always get caught by him. What we're gonna do is go back here. It's great for him to go in there, because he always gets stuck in there. Get that lever, which we'll be needing. Stuff like that. Don't scare me. That guy scares me. And I don't get scared at all. That's unfortunate. There's another jump scare which you won't be scared of, except for 9-year-olds. Not 9-year-olds, but for like 4-year-olds. I don't know. So what key we got? Darn it. So Peb is going right there. Get caught. There he goes. Pebble. Don't touch him. Ooh. Darn it. You freaked me. Sheesh. So, we're gonna need the fire extinguisher now. Don't mess this up, okay? Well, she can't interact with you anymore that way. Torn down. Wait for him to talk to you. You'll be needing the fire extinguisher. Run away. Run. The music scares me a lot. Except for the bot. Go. Haha. Got you. Quiet, Washi. Okay, so we've got this, which means we're going down there, where Anvis pops up. We don't actually die that way. So we're gonna get this stick. So, to look at it carefully, V is in the middle. Right there. V is in the middle, which means X is 3. Go ahead, Washi. So we're gonna run now. He's fast too. Don't look back, don't look back. He sees you. Okay, now that you've got the screwdriver, we are gonna do this thing. So, once we've got all the things right, we are going in here now. So, that's the exit. We've escaped. Willius has escaped too. The icy thingies. Icicle. Now that we're done, I'll control this helicopter. I'm expert at this job. Expert at this job. Alright, we'll find where we're gonna land when we find signals from above. Get in. It's no more safe out here. We need to hurry up. Barking noises. We don't hear them. I meant hear them. So this is actually the ending, which I'm showing you right now. So it's been an hour. Do you see any signs of locations? I don't think so, but I'm dealing with one huge problem, that we're running out of gasoline. Of course, that's a terrible sign. You must land somewhere else, even though you can't see clearly. Whoa, that's easy for you to say. How can you be sure about this? What if we're in the middle of an ocean? Fine, but is this copter's location tracker system working? I want to know. Yeah, it does, but it's been broken since we took off. That's why it took me an hour to clear places. By the way, I think the toxic effects having a relapse, like a roller coaster again. Everything I see. Oh, wait. I see some huge building. Thank goodness we finally can land. I hope there's no trouble. Okay, I'm late. Well, oh great, you passed out at this point. You surely need a cure to heal this. That's how fast I can talk. So that is the mansion where we spawn usually. The mansion. Someone must own this mansion. Continued. There's actually a chapter 2, but I don't know how to escape it too. It's like really dark. What I get, the over part for me is, you know, jackpot. Like, come on, it's easy. Everybody can do that, except for me. Me, literally. Well, I hope this helps. Don't have any private server.